Hello and welcome to this calculator maths assessment for GCSE. There are about 30 individual questions and every single question is different from each other and very independent of each other. And by all means use a calculator to actually work them out. Now some of the questions will have individual theories to them, and by all means feel free to do as much research as you wish to be able to answer this particular test. Let's start off with the first question together. So Frank, Mary, and Seth shared some sweets in the ratio 4:7. Seth got 18 more sweets than Frank. Work out the total number of sweets that they shared and then choose the correct option. So in this case, we have in total 4, 5, and 7. Now, because Frank comes first in our statement, let's label that as F because that's Frank. Mary comes second, so the second number will refer to Mary, and Seth comes third, and the third number will belong to Seth. Now it says here, Seth got 18 more sweets than Frank. 18 more sweets than Frank. 18 more sweets than Frank. Now, because we've got that key number there, 18, and we've got 3 characters in this question, let's do 18 divided by 3, which gives us 6 in total. So that means that our factor, which we're going to use to multiply or divide in this case, is going to be 6. So let's do 4 times 6, 5 times 6, and 7 times 6 here and see what we get. So 4 times 6 is 24, 5 times 6 is 30, and 7 times 6 is 42. Now, Seth got 42 sweets altogether. Frank got 24 sweets altogether. If you did 42 take away 24, that gives us 18 sweets. So it's correct that Seth got 18 more sweets than Frank. Now, to answer this overall question, you have to work out the total of the sweets, work out the total number of sweets that they shared all together. So what you're going to do is, you're going to do 24, add 30, add 42, and that will give you 96 sweets altogether here. And that's going to be our answer for this particular question. Okay, remember all the questions are independent of each other. Do work them out as you go along, and like usual, in our next lesson, we'll cover all these questions one by one. Good luck.